Hi guys, this is Young. So I want to actually talk a little bit about some rumor that's sort of starting to brew, and it is about Mavic 3. Earlier this month, we've actually seen the famous or infamous Twitter called OzitaLV, where he leaked some rumors about Mavic 3 and what the key functions will be. So I want to actually just quickly run down what we're expecting, so it will help you sort of make the right choice if you're looking into getting a drone late this year or early next year. It's actually quite rather simple information leak. The drone in itself, the design is more or less the same. Right now, what is expected is that this new drone would be out in January 2020. That we'll see. But then considering Mavic 2 has been out for about a year, it's very likely that they would revamp the popular Mavic Pro series. So of course they might go in the two direction of having Pro as well as zoom. Here are the key features that were included in the leaks. First is the beloved OcuSync. It would be rolled out in version 3, and with OcuSync 3, it is rumored that the latency will be lower and the distance range will be longer. And the camera would be improved as well. Mavic 3 Pro is currently rumored to have this latest technology from HASSELBLAD, HNCS technology, HASSELBLAD Natural Color Solution technology, and Mavic 3 Pro would be equipped with a brand new HASSELBLAD L1D 20C camera with a bigger f2.0 aperture. Then of course the image quality will be even better than what we've seen in Mavic 2. And Active Track version 3 will be rolled out as well. And what's exciting is that it would have this return to home function without GPS. That's pretty amazing. How is that possible? The rumor says that it would use like machine vision and so on. We'll see how that technology will come about. And the vision sensing will be improved as well. It would have like the 10 cameras all around the drone. So in total 64 megapixel vision sensing. And the rumor also talked about this always on APAS, Advanced Pilot Assistance System, which would help the drone sort of fly, avoiding any obstacles on the way, and that would be improved. So are you excited? I'm actually really excited because I've been eyeing a Mavic 2 for some time. However, at the time of release of Mavic 2, I've only had Mavic Air for not that long. So at that time, I wasn't really looking into it. And I can see, you know, like better devices played by my friends. I'm looking into upgrading. So I'll keep you guys posted on the rumors of Mavic 3. And I'll come back with the real test of Mavic Mini. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and see you!